What are the most dangerous places in the universe? How does your body react when it's caught near a supernova burst, struck by gamma light, or standing under diamond rain? Today, we're entering 10 places in the universe where your body collapses before fear even reaches your mind. Hi everyone, I'm Haruaki. I represent Ichi-sense, where space, life, and the mysteries between them meet. Every week, I explore intriguing mysteries, what-if questions, and emerging theories that science hasn't fully confirmed yet. If you're here for the first time, please click the subscribe button below so you won't miss what comes next. Okay, let's start the video. On the glass rain planet, you die in less than 1 second. The dark blue sky looks peaceful, but this world is a trap. A real planet where the winds move faster than bullets, and the rain is molten glass. Before you even take a step, a violent gust slams into you. The wind hits your body like a speeding car, throwing you sideways across the ground. As you spin, the first shard of molten glass strikes your arm, a glowing liquid blade that slices straight through your suit. Can you feel pain? Only for a blink. The storm is too fast for your nerves to keep up. Then the full glass storm arrives, ripping through your visor and tearing your face apart instantly.
At a black hole's event horizon, you die in around 1/3 of a second. Space around you stretches like soft rubber. Stars bend into long arcs. Your body starts to pull apart. Your feet fall faster than your head. Your chest tightens as your spine stretches. Can you feel pain? Yes, but only for one short moment before the force breaks your nerves. Gravity pulls harder, and your body turns into a long, thin thread as you fall into the dark.
Inside Neptune, you die in about 1 second. Below the upper clouds, the world turns almost completely dark. The air grows thick, and the pressure pushes hard against your suit. Then, small bright particles start drifting downward around you. Tiny diamonds forming from broken methane. At first they look harmless, like sparkling dust, but each one is heavier than rock. They fall fast. They hit hard. Can you feel pain? Yes, but only for a brief moment as the diamonds punch through your suit. Larger diamonds drop from above, strike your chest, and the pressure finishes the job.
Inside Jupiter's clouds, you die in roughly half a second. You fall into Jupiter like diving into an ocean made of gas. Each layer gets darker and heavier. The air presses against your suit from all sides. Your chest feels tight as the pressure rises fast. Can you feel pain? Yes, but only for a fraction of a second before your ribs and lungs collapse. The storm squeezes your suit inward, your chest caves in, and the clouds swallow you. Near the solar corona, you die in about 1/100th of a second. You drift downward toward a wall of ghostly fire, the sun's outer atmosphere. But instead of warm light, it glows in cold violet and blue, like a silent cosmic storm. Your visor reflects arcs of electrified plasma rising like frozen lightning. Just a flash, your face dissolves into blue-white ions as the plasma tears electrons away. Your body evaporates into charged particles in a fraction of a heartbeat.
You step onto 55 Cancri E, a world so close to its star that a year lasts just 17 hours. The day side is over 1,500 degrees. The moment you arrive, your suit fails. Metal softens, plastic burns away, and sensors melt. The heat destroys your skin in 1/10 of a second, and all the water in your body flashes into steam. Can you feel pain? Only for an instant. The heat kills your nerves almost immediately. Before you fall to the ground, your organs boil, your blood vaporizes, and even your bones begin to char. On a super Earth during a tidal quake, the star tears the ground apart. You stand on a super Earth so close to its star that the ground moves because of stellar gravity, not tectonic plates. In half a second, the crust begins to stretch and rise as the star pulls harder on one side of the planet than the other. The day side is over 2,500 degrees, the night side is freezing, and the extreme temperature difference cracks the crust open. Rock shifts like soft metal. The shifting gravity and violent ground motion overwhelm your nerves and blood pressure. A chunk of crust rises like a moving wall. One moment, if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to like and subscribe. All right, let's continue. When a gamma ray burst hits, you never hear it coming. A razor-thin beam brighter than 100 billion suns sweeps silently through space. There's no sound, no warning, just a thin line of death moving at light speed. When it touches you, gamma photons cut straight through your body, ripping electrons from your atoms and breaking every cell at once. Your nervous system shuts down instantly. Can you feel pain? No. The beam kills your brain before a single signal can form. Your skin flashes white, your blood turns to vapor, and your body breaks apart into glowing particles in less than a heartbeat. When the supernova burst hits, you die before you see the star explode. A massive star in front of you begins to collapse. There is no flash and no sound. Then the supernova neutrino burst arrives. The real first wave of a supernova, made of trillions upon trillions of invisible particles. In a tiny fraction of a second, 10 to the power of 58 neutrinos pass straight through your body. They cut through every organ, every molecule, even your DNA. Can you feel pain? Only for the briefest moment. The supernova neutrino burst destroys your cells faster than your nerves can fire. Your tissues fall apart, your blood chemistry collapses, and your brain shuts down instantly. The visible explosion won't reach you for seconds. Near a neutron star, you die faster than your nerves can fire a signal. You float just a few kilometers above a neutron star, a whole sun crushed into a ball the size of a city. It looks calm, but in 1/10,000,000th of a second, its radiation hits you. Gamma rays rush through your body at near light speed, ionizing your DNA, water, and neurons instantly. Your nerves lose their electrical charge, a real effect called acute nervous system failure, so you cannot feel pain at all. Then gravity takes over. Your feet fall faster than your head, stretching your spine like warm metal. The tidal force is so strong that in less than a blink, your entire body is pulled into a thin line of atoms. Which one did you find the most horrifying or the most fascinating? Tell me in the comments. If you want to go deeper into the universe's beauty and danger, I'll see you in the next video.